Hey guys, so today, I am going to be attempting to recreate an Apple Store in Adopt Me. Do I know how I am going to do this? No. Do I have any experience? No. Will I try to have fun? Yes? Okay, so before this video I did a rough plan of my Apple Store. Yes, I know it's just a block, but trust the process. I am going to speed the building up as I am a very slow builder, so let's start with the exterior of the Apple Store. So at the front of the store, I want to have a small car park, just to add a bit more character, and so that we are not just on a green cube. I am going to be using these small plain beams for the car park sections. The sections in a car park that make each part separate. Something like this, so we have 3 parts, and I will copy it on the other side as well. Oh my god guys, I don't know if you have noticed yet, but I am doing this on my laptop, and if you didn't know, this is my second time filming on my laptop. I tried recording on it before, but the footage was a bit blocky, but hopefully, this is better. So let me know if you would like me to do more building in real-life stores on my laptop videos and comment which store you would like to see next. And with all that yapping, the car park is done, but we need to make it look fancy with some trees and rocks. Oh my god, I'm glitching, help. Guys, this isn't funny, help me please. Oh my god, that was scary. Moving away from that horrific event, the outside is complete. Well, not really, we still have the exterior of the Apple Store to do. In all the photos I have seen in an Apple Store, the outside is white and has a lot of windows, and I mean a lot. And with that, the outside is painted, and I forgot the roof. You know what, no one's going to notice.
Oh, no, I ain't seen nothing. I ain't seen nothing.
Now for the windows, I am going to go for the hospital windows, and the thing is you can't really see through them, so yeah. All we have to do is cover the front with windows. There we go, like that. It looks so stupid. Reminds me of a hospital. Okay, so hear me out. First, we will use bricks to get the shape. And try to get the shape of the apple. Oh my god guys, it's not working. What is this? Nope, we are restarting. That looked more like a work.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
You know what, instead we will just use this basic apple. Does it look stupid? Yes, but I don't care enough to change. And Adopt Me won't let me change it to gray, so we are just going to have to stick with a bright red apple for the logo. Moving on, inside the store I made it to stories, because we are not basic, we are very architectural people. So for the floor I was initially going to go for white, but that's basic, and instead of looking like an Apple Store, it will look like an insane asylum. And if you guys don't subscribe right now, I will trap you and hear myself with love. Now as soon as you walk in, I want there to be a phone display, as that is what's typically the first thing you see when you walk into an Apple Store. Sadly, the only phone Adopt Me has are these old dated telephones, so they will do. It's fine, we can just say it's the new iPhone 50 Pro Max for a low price of £10,000. Now we can just duplicate this and place it on the other side as well, like that. Gorgeous, look at that. So in Apple stores they have these floating tablets, and they generally have laptops or iPad on the, so we can create that on this wall. To create the shelves I am going to be using basic shapes and have it along this wall here. Then we can use these medium picture frames as the tablets. Wait, I could have used the frames for the phones as well. Oh well, I'm not going back to change that. And there we go, we have our iPads. Now, as a worker, I need somewhere to serve the customers, so let's build a reception area. I'm thinking at the back, as this area looks bland. There we go, nothing too fancy, as an Apple Store is quite minimalist and clean. And I'm thinking, what if we copy this iPad area and stretch is all across this wall here to fill up some space. There we go, now we can move to the upstairs, and this is where I want to add all of the laptops, MacBooks. But first we need to have railing, so people don't fall over and damage the equipment, also so that they don't sue me. For this, I want to use the clear glass barriers, as they make the place look clean and modern. Now for the actual display, let's get a table and have the laptops on them, so people can taste them out. This is the only laptop Adopt Me has, so you can just pretend they are different models, okay? Like that. Now we can copy it and add a few more of these on the top floor. Like that, and looks like some pieces of the wall got duplicated as well. Let's just remove those. And guys, I think the store is almost ready, just a few more touches, and I will be back for the reveal. So guys, with that, the Apple Store is complete and ready to tour. So outside we have this amazing parking lot with lots of trees and bushes. And then in the middle is our Apple Store. And honestly guys, just by looking at the outside, I would say I improved on my building skills in Adopt Me. As you walk in, you are greeted with all the phones and tablets on the first floor, along with the register where you will pay for your product. And over to the side are some seating areas where you can have some deep discussions about phones. You may bash your head on the stairs, but that's not my problem. Okay, now upstairs, we have all of the laptops. You can try them, or they all come in a range of colors. And a beautiful sky roof on top to add some natural lighting. That was me building an Apple Store in Adopt. If you want to see me build more stores, comment down any suggestions, and I will see you in the next one. Bye guys.